This is how much money I've got just by typing, guys. This is the most incredible way of getting money. Honestly, I like to type on a keyboard, and getting paid to do that is a dream come true. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose your time. Guys, it's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So first of all, guys, I want you to go to Transcribeme.com. And today we're gonna do simple job, guys. We can just transcribe some files, some audio files, and we will get paid good money for doing that. And this website pays you the most, guys. They're in the business for a very long time now, and as you can see here, they have been working with a lot of popular companies such as Entrepreneur, Forbes, the Huffington Post. So really legit and really popular website in which you can get yourself some money. And before you think like, oh no, I'm gonna have to transcribe certain audio files, I'll have to type a lot. Well, no, guys. This is gonna be so easy that you're gonna love it. I found a program, a software, which will automatically transcribe all audio files for you, and it'll work on autopilot. You won't have to listen to audio files even, you will just have to place this text into that software and you will get paid. So first of all, click on the sign up button over here and just sign up with your email by typing it in here, your full name, company. You don't have to do, you can put like freelancer and click on sign up button over here. Or alternatively, you can sign up with Facebook or Google account, which will be a tad faster, of course. Second website where we can find jobs like these, guys, is Transcribeme.com. And this is a website similar to the one that we showed earlier, but this one has more traffic into it. As you can see, it is very nice looking as well. And trust me, I made a lot of money on this website, and by combining all of these into one, now that's gonna be massive incomes, guys. Also, I have this Transcribeme.com over here, and this is one more transcribing website where you can get yourself some money. And trust me, guys, really good money is on these websites, and I'm gonna show you a software which will do everything for you. You won't have to do anything, just follow the video, download the software, and get paid. And here it is, guys. This is nchsoftware.com. Now look at this, guys. You have variable speed playback. It works with other software as well. It got foot pedal control, hotkeys, everything that you need to transcribe your audio files, guys. It's completely free and it's completely autopilot. You will just put the text that you need to be transcribed, click on a button, and you will earn money. So it doesn't matter if you go on Go Transcript, Transcribeme.com, or Scribie.com, you are eligible for making money. And this software is gonna help you. This is so good software, guys, that a lot of people are using it and they make money on it. And as you can see, it works on Windows, it works for Mac as well. So it doesn't matter which operating system you have, you can still use it and make money with it. And trust me, guys, there is a lot of money over here. From Scribie.com, you can just scroll down a little bit and you will find this button which is entitled Sign Up as a Transcriber over here. As you can see, it is very simple as 1, 2, 3. Just sign up as a transcriber, set up PayPal account because that's how you're gonna get paid, and take transcription test. Sign up as a transcriber, and here we'll have a simple introduction where you can see that you can get up to $25 per audio hour, guys. So that's crazy. Also, you have a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. So that's nice as well. The requirements here are very simple. Good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations, but of course you don't need that because we have a software for that. All you need is a verified PayPal account and you can make that in a second. When you go to paypal.com, just click on the sign up button over here and it's done in a few seconds. Now just click on this blue button, complete this first name, last name, email address, password, and click on the sign up button over here. On Transcribeme.com, you can simply go to jobs over here and then you will just simply click on this get started button to get yourself started with your new account. As you can see, highest pay over here, earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings of $2,200, guys. $2,000 for you for simply doing nothing. $2,000, guys, I don't know about you, but it is perfect for me. I am really ready to join this team and to use that software which I shown you, this one over here, which will do automatically everything for you guys. You will just have to enjoy and think about how you're gonna spend all that money that you get. And there is one more way of making money on these websites, guys, and that is through their affiliate programs. They have such a good affiliate programs on these websites. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find it here in this section. It's called affiliate, so simply click on it and you will here see that you can click on start earning now, and that's gonna lead you to becoming an affiliate for this website. So guys, these guys have perfect commissions, and as you can see here, 10% lifetime affiliate commission on the business generated. So if you drag someone to here and he spends like $1,000 in his lifetime, you will get $100 for completely free. You can just take people here and you can then diversify your income streams and get one passive income stream for yourself as well, because that's better, guys. On top of that transcribing job, which will be done for you by that software, you can just play with this affiliate program, which will give you one more income stream. And it is really important that you diversify your income streams. As you can see, it is simple here. You can just sign up, you can get links and material for that, and then you will get your commission. Very, very easy, guys. You can see who can join Transcript affiliate program. Basically, anyone can do it, as you can see it over here. Anyone with the passion to earn can make it rain cash by becoming our affiliate. Now, that's what they say, guys. If you have passion for earning cash like I do, just grab this opportunity and the money's yours. Transcribeme.com also has an affiliate program. It is over there on the bottom of the website as well. You can see it here, affiliate program. Simply click on it and it will lead you here. But the website here has a lower commission. As you can see, you can get 5% lifetime affiliate commission. But hey, if you combine those two, you will get 15% total. So why not do this as well? As you can see, you can just attract customers by sharing your affiliate link, and that's gonna get you paid, guys. It's so easy to do. Just go out there and make yourself an affiliate for this website as well. Combine it with this one, go transcribe.com, and you will get yourself a lot of money, guys. When you combine everything with this tool, which I've just showed you, this NCH software for transcribing, you are setting yourself up for nice steady income, guys. Some of it's gonna come actively, and by actively I mean that you just need to turn on that software, put the text in there, and then it's gonna do everything for you. And some of it will come to you passively, which is through these affiliate programs, and you will get yourself rich in no time, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something, and I hope you will go and take these opportunities and make your time profitable, guys, because that's what you need to do. You have to start and take your time seriously in order to get yourself money in this online niche world. I'm here to help you and to guide you and to show you websites like these, and now it's all up to you to take some action and turn this into profit. So guys, go out there, take some action, and I'll catch you guys later.